Hello folks, I'm Michael with BC Hobbies and I'm currently invisible. There we go. I'm Mike with BC Hobbies.
I'm Ryan with BC Hobbies.
And this is the X-Maxx Ultimate and we're going to be unboxing it today. So this is the completely tricked out version of the X-Maxx. All the aluminum stuff, basically every upgrade you can get is on the truck already, and it has new belted sledgehammer tires. I'm going to take a wild guess at which way is right side up.
That's the fun part.
Yeah, and drum roll please. R.I.P. the glass tabletop. And it's upside down, as I knew it would be. Just pretend that didn't happen.
Oh, that sound.
That was a wonderful noise. Okay. Transmitter. TQI. If you've had a Traxxas car, you probably already have one of these. Styrofoam.
Couple tires.
Manual.
Instructions.
Tools. Various bits and pieces. This is the same body that's been on the X-Maxx since forever, but I think this is a new paint scheme. And now,
Assistant number one.
as with the usual X-Maxx, we have these humongous zip ties holding the suspension compressed while it's in the box. Otherwise, it would not fit in the box. And this is the fun part of unboxing an X-Maxx, is these cutters don't work.
Seamless the bad ones.
Seamless transition. The fun part of unboxing an X-Maxx is that.
Whew, that was a good snap.
Yeah.
Oh, you do that one.
There's that. Do that one.
Alright, and the front.
We've got fully aluminum shocks, fully aluminum hubs and hub carriers, fully aluminum steering linkage, aluminum wheels on the wheelie bar. Oh, and aluminum diff housings, which is a very nice thing to have. I'm very glad that they didn't do aluminum arms, because that means that if something breaks, it's going to be the arms, which are the easiest thing to replace.
Good to note that this is not the WideMax kit, the WideMax X-Maxx kit. This is still the stock length, stock width.
But if you put the WideMax kit on it, you will still be able to use all of these aluminum bits.
Yeah.
Except the drive shaft, but the WideMax kit comes with those. So the wheels are in their own little bags.
Oh, and there's the tools. So it's just
Yes, we wonder where the tools.
Give you a nice little handy dandy instruction, French or English, depending on which you prefer.
If you're not in Canada, the selection of languages may be different.
They do include the nice green hexes for the wheels, and the nice Allen wrench.
And I believe these are the new belted tires, which look externally the same as the sledgehammer tires that have been available for the X-Maxx for a while, but these will not balloon nearly as much at speed.
Lift it up, you want to crank them on.
Yeah. So these are just your standard Traxxas 17mm hexes.
They're not directional, which is nice.
That is one thing I like about the sledgehammer tires. And the sledgehammers are an excellent performing tire, and a good looking tire.
Balance is pretty good on just two tires.
It does balance well on two tires. Well, we'll see what happens when we get two more tires on here. Maybe it'll balance twice as good. Looks like we got a little bit of Loctite here on the aluminum hubs, which is nice to have.
I
That'll
think
stop
these
this.
nuts are directional. There's
Are
one
they?
side that is
Oh yes.
got a little bit of teeth on it to grab the plastic.
Yes.
Really
that's
hard
good
to
know.
see, but
Wheels are on. This is your standard Traxxas clipless body. You got the tongue thingy in the front. Goes into there. Clip in the back. And there it is. The X-Maxx Ultimate. That is what a $2,000 RC car looks like. Well, 2,099 Canadian dollars. It'll be insert number on the screen here in US dollars.
I'm in love.
It is a pretty sweet truck.
Yeah, that's beauty.
And you can get the XRT Ultimate as well, which has all the same stuff, but it has the lower XRT chassis.
And the white arm kit.
Does the XRT one have the wide arm
It
kit?
does.
Ooh, very nice.
Yeah.
Alright. It's heavy. I don't know if it's heavier than a regular X-Maxx, but it is quite heavy. But with all this aluminum stuff, I won't say you'd have a hard time breaking it, because, I mean, let's be real, people are going to drive this into trees at 50 miles an hour. But it will hold up to normal usage a lot better than the plastic parts on the regular one. If you still want to upgrade something on this, which of course you will, it's a RC vehicle, Proline makes a quote-unquote indestructible body for the X-Maxx, which I think you'd probably want if you're going to be bashing it. And as we mentioned before, you can also put the WideMax kit on. This also has some fancy electronics thingies. We have the Traxxas Link module, so you can Bluetooth it to your phone and have real-time telemetry.
All the goodies you would normally want or would upgrade from a stock truck with everything else.
That's the Metal Gear servo as well. I just noticed. You can hear. Let me double check, but I believe. Yep, that is the Metal Gear servo, which is very nice because that's another thing that most people upgrade right away on these.
Yeah. Traxxas did just release also a 600 ounce torque servo upgrade for this and the Max. Stay tuned, we might do a review on that as well. I want to drive it.
I want to drive it too. Yeah. Well, that is it for our unboxing of the X-Maxx Ultimate. We will let you know if we can convince the boss to let us drive it. Until then, if you'd like to get yours, we have them here at BC Hobbies. I think we only have 2 left, so get them while you can. You can also shop online at bchobbies.com. We ship anywhere in Canada, and for orders over $150, shipping is free. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. I'm Michael.
I'm Ryan.
We're from BC Hobbies, and thank you for watching.
See you next time. The more likes you give the video, the more chance we have of getting to drive it. Like the video!
And subscribe.